South Africa, Mzansi, a country of sunshine, noise, and love. We don't share DNA, we share RSA. Different people, one fire, one home. And in every room, there's Eli, our quiet friend, sitting with us for over 100 years. In the boardroom, we talk teamwork, we talk growth, we talk unity. Eli is here too. He always is. In Parliament, we debate loudly, argue proudly, and still end the day as one people. Eli is listening. In our schools, the kids learn who we are, where we come from, and where we are going. Eli drops in from time to time. The world watches us. We tell our story, the ups, the downs, the hope. Eli stands right behind the camera. Justice walks slow here, but it's working. Eli sits quietly, waiting for his turn. Our land feeds us, holds us, raises us. Eli knows this soil well. We study, we grow, we learn together. Eli sits with the students, listening. When we shine bright. Awards, success, celebration, and Eli dressed for the occasion. Around the table, we laugh, we eat, we share stories. Eli squeezes in like he's part of the family. Every nation has pain. Every nation needs healing. Eli lies on the couch, finally talking. And now, Eli looks at us, right at us. He doesn't want trouble. He wants connection. He wants to belong. Mzansi is a great country, a miracle of many nations. We walk together. We grow together. We heal together. Solidarity, equality, sustainability. One home for all of us. And maybe one day, even Eli will feel at home. We give thanks to the Most High. Ramasedi. A lebogwe Ramasedi. Tanki sana.